the new rails, the rail tracks where they install for Nigeria, for now we know, vandals don't go there now, go destroy them. And according to video now, we don't they go viral because everybody don't they complain, everybody get their own side of the story. I say I will bring them out. They don't come show us how these people, my people, if you not see, hey, Nigeria have problem. They start they remove all the nuts. They can't break the thing, divide it into two, but at least thank God. Say they no sufficient to remove them from the rail itself. I beg, I bring a corner aside because I want me to see how we don't the waka. In fact, Nigeria don't the waka leave slippers behind. I beg, put the video, make them watch.
Where is the motorable road?
It's there now.
It's there.
Or the use of that resort can be fast.
No. I was caught now. Oh.
They aren't ready to come back for this. But see, they don't even lose all this fast things.
I've already lose all this one.
They don't lose all this one to carry on. This one now don't come out.
Don't come out already.
So now I won't blame government now for this thing when I just watch. And they ask, who we won't blame now for this one? Nah, in Nigeria, we have our own problem. Oh. We are our own problem in this country. Tomorrow now, these same people will go scatter this place. They go come outside, join people where they blame government, start they shout. Say, government is not right. Government is not doing this one. Meanwhile, now them, they know themselves. They know say now them go do that thing. They destroy our own country. And tomorrow, now we ourselves, we can't compare our country with other countries. How Nigeria want better like this? How? People mind now are just evil things. Imagine if train now will load with people won't come past this place. Just imagine that for your mind. You know the number of people will go die. Innocent people will go die just because of one person's stupidity. In fact, now where even they think this thing. Hey! Wait, may not be saying now waiting how they think. Because this thing look like one organized crime. I don't know. I beg, una go forgive me, bro. I know fear help am. I need to think far. It be like say some people don't plan. Hey! Wait, maybe train supposed pass this place. I be they target people. I be they plan. I don't understand, but something is about to happen. And all of them now when they come outside, they talk say it is because of poverty. They did it because of poverty. Poverty kill you there. Which kind of poverty? Not only them they suffer poverty. You know how many people for this country they suffer poverty? I tell you this before. Until you hear person story, you only learn work. No, they use your situation or your condition. See, it's bad. Okay, you are poor. You are suffering of hunger. You are suffering of this one. So therefore, people must die. No be juju be that. I beg, I no accept this one. May nobody even tell me any poverty matter. No tell me that one. If not, me say I for go join armed robbers now. I need money. I've also joined armed robbers. Everybody get choice. We for study do wetin we want. Make una open una ear very well. Until Nigeria people, and they talk about the citizens, until una fix una self, infrastructures no go dey fixed. It starts from you. Until you fix yourself, Nigeria no go dey fixed. Stop dey deceive una self. Before you know it now, over 2,000 pastors don't go pray. Before you know it now, this one go come outside, give us wetin they call that emotional speech. Celebrity go come outside, they give us influencers still go come outside. I beg, don't they waste on time. It starts from all of us. If you like, come outside, give us speech from now to tomorrow. Pray, do, even the day Bible say God no go bless empty hands. Wetin you get, now wetin God go bless. So I beg, if you not say you dey hear me, you not say you dey inside this thing. It must not even be this very thing. Maybe another thing you know. Biko, change. Change. And I beg, the reason why I bring this matter outside, all the train drivers, you know say you dey drive train, and you know say you be passenger for train, dey very, very careful. No enter train this period. Wait until further notice, because some people want, some people dead. I don't know where they come from, but I go find out. And na for here, una go get the update. Now, why, if you never subscribe, I wonder what you do with your time, because you go miss this very one. I bet don't forget to drop the comment. I want to know what you think. And as usual, I go reply on one by one. Don't forget to click on that bell so that you don't go miss anything where I get here for you. Stay tuned for our next story.